Good day, guys. Welcome to Memo Creative Digital Marketing Agency. I hope guys are doing great. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a food menu flyer and how to do those round shape design that you have been seeing online. So without wasting much of time, let's go into the business of today. So the first thing you have to do right now is to bring out your shape. So just increase this, or you can select a circle shape otherwise. So it's actually the same thing. Increase it like this. Good. Then you go to your relative size, sorry, relative position. Then change it to relative position. You change to the middle. So it's good. So we are good to go. Then the next thing you have to do right now is to lock it. So after you lock it, the first next thing you have to do right now is to bring out a plus button. Bring out the shape. This particular one, yeah, this one. Then you change it to red. Go to your color, then change it to red. Good. So you can actually increase a little bit. No, this one is too much. So this one is okay. So you actually do like this. Then you go to your relative position again. Then position it at the middle. Good. So after you're done, okay, I need to increase it a little bit. Okay. So let me change the background to black so that you can be seeing the thing we are doing. Good. So the next thing you have to do right now is to click on this particular one, duplicate it. Good. Then you go to your angle. Go to your angle. This rotate. This rotate. Click on the rotate. Then you change to angle 90. Is it angle 90? Good. Angle 90. Good. Can you see it? Angle 90. So after you have changed to angle 90, then you go back to your relative position again. Relative position. Then you place at the middle. Can you see right now? So it's at the middle. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to duplicate this one. Duplicate it again. Then you go to your rotate again. The same rotate you use. Then you change it to 45. 45. Good. Can you see it right now? So after you change it to 45, just go there and change it to the middle. Relative position. So can you see right now it's at the middle. So after that, you duplicate it again. You actually duplicate it again. Good. You go to your rotate again. Then you change it to minus 45. That is angle 45 again. That's minus 45. Good. Sorry. Minus 45. Good. So can you see right now? After that, you go to your relative position again to save stress. Then you place at the middle. Good. So can you see right now that is at the middle? So you can actually begin the work done now. So after you have done this, finish, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your layer, then you mesh everything together. Do you know how to mesh? Let me teach you how to mesh. You click on this layer here, then you click on this place. Now click on it, then you click on everything you want to mesh, or all the one you want to mesh. So can you see right now? So after that, you click the middle, this place again. Good. So let's begin the bit. Let's go. Good. Can you see right now? So after that, now the next thing you have to do right now is to go to your erase color. Can you see the erase color here? So this is the erase color we are using. You click on it, you enable it. Can you see that it's only the red that is showing, but we don't need the red. So what are you going to do right now? The next thing you're going to do right now is just to click on this brush here. Good. So click on it, and after you click on it, can you see that it's on the red? So just click your mark. Good. Can you see it now that we are having our the shape back? So without wasting much of our time, let's go into the business again. So you click on done. After you click on done, you go to your color, you change the color to white. Good. Can you see right now? So everything is white, the red has removed. So after that, you duplicate this, exactly this one, you duplicate it, then you place it at the middle. Go to your relative position, place it at the middle. Good. You merge them together. You merge these two together. Good. Can you see? So after that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to duplicate it again. After you duplicated it again, just hit it. Hit this one. Can you see that you have hit one? No. No, there's no need to hit this one again. No, don't hit it. Don't hit it. Just lock this down one. This down one, block it. Can you see right now? Like block it. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do right now. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do right now is just bring out this one. Just leave it here. So what I'm going to do right now is this one. Just go to your eraser. not erase color this time, eraser. So just go to your eraser, good. Then erase this two, this particular two. No, you are not using this particular one, so just erase it. Good. Just erase it. Good. So you click on done. So can you see now? I will just leave it like this. It's not more that you get the erase completely. Just leave it, and after you leave it like this, just lock it back. Good. Because we are not going to use it. Okay. So after that, you choose this one to go to your creative position back. Now this is where the work is now. So after that, now the next thing I'm going to do right now is to duplicate this one again. Then you hit one. You hit it. Can you see right now that you hit it? So now what are you going to do right now? So you actually erase this one, or you can actually leave this one on top. You leave it. Yeah, you leave the one on top. Leave the one on top. So after you leave the one on top, you're not going to touch these two. These two. So what I'm going to do right now is place at the middle again. Then let's go to the back. To back, just click to back. Let's see to back. After you click to back, just lock it. Then this one now. This one on top that we erase. So you're going to bring it out right now. The one we erase, so where is it? Okay, so let me delete this. It's going to be so this one is the one that we erased. Good. So this is where the work is. So after that, just go to your erase color. Sorry, eraser. Your eraser. Yeah. Let's say you want to use this particular one. Let me say you want to use this particular one now. So what are you going to do right now? What you're going to do right now is just to make sure you erase this one completely. Sorry. Let's make sure you erase this one completely. Erase it completely. You can actually zoom your work so as to check what you are erasing, because you have to be careful when erasing it. Good. So let's go. See the way you're winning. You got something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that so you have to be careful when erasing it. Okay, so let's go. So let me go back. Let me zoom it back. Okay, so just erase all display, erase it. Good. So now we are done to go. We are good to go. So can you see? Still have a lot of work to do. We didn't erase it very well, so you have to go back and erase it very well. If you check it, you will see that you didn't erase it very well. So you have to go back to your eraser, then erase it very well. So let's check. Good. So you are good to go now. So can you see now that this one can fit here now? So that is what we are looking at. It can fit there. So what do you do now? The next thing I'm going to do right now is to bring out a text. Just click on text. just hit the test there. Good. Can you see we are not seeing the test again, but the test is still there. So this is the test. Now, so what are you going to do right now? This is the one we erase now. So let me check the one we erase. So I'm going to check something right now to check the one we erase. So let's go. So the one we erase is the one that's on top. So let's go. So now you have to merge these two together. The one you erased just now, you merge together. So can you see right now? So what are you going to do right now? So the next thing you're going to do right now is just to go to your crop, then you crop it very well. You crop it, yeah, you crop it. Good. So you click on OK after you crop it finish. So can you see? You can just reduce it. You can still fit in here. So can you see right now? So if you change the color, you will see that it fit in there. So can you see? So now let's go. So the next I'm going to do right now is to go to your just remove the color back, then go to your texture. This is going to be a long video though. Go to your texture, then download. So you just pick any of the food and you write it there and you place it there. So now just leave it like this because you can't crop it. So can you see? So after, if you check it very well, you will see that the food is not well placed inside the system. So what I'm going to do, you see this scale, I can actually use this scale to do the one that's there. Can you see? You just increase the scale a little bit to make sure it is some part are showing very well. Good. So you are done with that. So what I'm going to do right now is to lock it. Lock this. Lock it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, duplicate it like this. Duplicate it. Then you will see that there's another one that can fit in this angle 90. So what are you going to do right now? Just to rotate it like this. Rotate it. Then you have to fit it here. So can you see that it can fit in here? So just rotate it. So can you see that I can fit in? So after that, just go to your texture again. Then you pick another food. So let me see how to pick this one. Then you can actually do this. Just allow the food, only the food to show. Good. So give it. So can you see? Then you go to your texture again. Then you give it this texture. Then you increase it a little bit. Good. So can you see it? So if you check it very well, this angle 90 will still fit in another place. So where is it going to fit? It's going to fit in here. So duplicate it again. Then let's check if it's going to fit it here. Let's check if it's going to fit in here. So can you see now? You can fit in there. So you can actually use this angle 90 to do all the work. Yeah, you can actually use the angle 90 to do all the work. So I use the angle 90 to do all the work without stressing myself. So after you pick out another food, you actually use like this. Good. So let's go. So you actually do it like this. Good. So can you see it? So after that, let's check if this angle 90 fits in another place. Yeah, it can fit in another place. So this is the place it can fit in again. So let's check this place again. Good. No, you're dealing with angle 90. So can you see right now that I can fit in there? So after that, you go to your texture again, then you change the food to any other one you want to change it to. So let me check on that food I'm going to choose. So I'm going to choose this one now. So increase the scale a little bit. So can you see right now? So let's check if this angle 90 can still fit all the place. I think angle 90 can fit in now. So no, you are not using these two. These two, we have already used these two. We are just leaving it there because of this design sake. So let's check if this place actually can fit in. It's not a must. Okay, this one can't fit in, but actually use it like that. It's not a must that everything fit in. No. So which food have not selected? So you've not selected this one. So let's go. Good. So you just scale it a little bit, so you can actually see like this. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on this one. I'll go 19, rotate it again. Be careful when rotating it so that it won't stretch. Good. So just click on it, then you change the foot to another foot you want to change it to. Let me say I want to change it to this one. Good. Good. So you are done with that. So after that, you click on your layer, then you actually delete this one or you edit. So can you see right now that you are good to go? Then just delete it so you won't make mistakes. So after you deleted it, next thing you need to do right now is to change this particular one. Just mesh all together, mesh everything together, mesh all together. Good. So have you seen that you have made it together? Good. So that's what we want. Now what are you going to do right now? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your plus button. Wow, it's going to be a lot of time. Click on your plus button, then bring out the shape. Then you actually do the shape like this. A little bit, let it fit in. I want it to fit in, or make it small like this. Make it small like this. Then go to your relative size, then increase it so that it will fit in. So can you see it now that it has fit in already? So just make sure it's fitting very well. Good. If you look at it, you see that it has fitting. Okay, it is fitting. So just let me increase it a little bit. Good. So it has fitting. So that is to lock it. Then you place this one on top here. Good. You know you are not using this color to do it. So what are you going to do right now? So click on this layer. Click on this layer. Click here. This place. Click it. Then after you click it, just go to your color. Go to your color. Can you see the color now? But we are not using this one, we are using gradient color. So how are we going to create the gradient color? So now let's work on the gradient color. So you click on the plus button, then you can see that I don't want to use this size. So if you want to change this this thing that is showing here, you are going to press all here. So let's do it one by one. I'm not going to use this this particular one. So I'm using this. I'm not using this particular. Okay, good. So I'm using this particular one. This one. I'm using this one. Good. So let's go. So this is the upside. So you click on the upside, you click here, then you change to black color. Good. After you change it to black color, you click the second, the downside, then you change the color. So I have the color code with me, the one that I use. So I'm going to click here to bring out the color. So let's go. So you delete this one, then you write A942 A. So that is the color code to get this one. So let's go. Wow. What did I press? A942 A. So let's check if I got the color. So this is the color code. Good. So can you see it right now? So that is the color. So what I'm going to do next is I don't want the color to be like this. So just click here. Just drag this place like this. Just drag it here. So can you see it? Just drag it. Good. So this is what I want. So can you see right now that we have gotten the color? So just add to increase this one a little bit and put it here. Good. So can you see it? So the next one I'm going to write right now is to write Yade. So let's write our text. So you are going to be fast about it. Good. So we are done. So just is what I want to write. Good. Don't rotate it. So after that, you go to your font, then you change the font to another one. So I'm going to use Lato. So I use Lato for the font. Lato. So let's go. So I use Lato black for Yade. Good. So just place it here. Good. So after you place it there, the next thing I'm going to write is food canteen. Just click on the plus button, then you write food canteen. So you go to drag it down, then you go to your font again, then you choose this Lato. There's two Lato there, so let's choose the second one. So you're going to choose Lato Black Italy. Good. Lato Black Italic. Good. So you are going to place it here, increase it a little bit, then you place it there. Then you actually give it what they call spacing. So you go to your spacing, so you give it a little big spacing. Good. So can you see it now? So it's making sense. So after you're done with that one, you bring out the one the logo I downloaded for it. So let's check on the logo. So this is the logo that I downloaded for the work. So I'm going to be sending you guys all this material in your description. So just check it in your description. So just place it at the middle here. Can you see right now? So you are moving forward. So the next thing I'm going to do right now. Sorry. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to write food is it food service or what it says. So let me check. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to write now is food available. Just go to your text, bring out another text, then you write food available. So just write it the way I write it here, food available, because we are using stylish font for it. So after that, just go to your font. Go to your font and give it breakfast font. Breakfast. Good. So just place it here. Sorry. Good. So after you place it, next I'm going to do right now. So click your plus button, shape, bring out the shape, then you use the shape a little bit, then you place the shape here. You're going to reduce the shape a little bit. So let's check. This shape is not too big, so it's okay like this. So you duplicate the shape. You break it down here again. Then we need something like 3 or 4 for it. So you duplicate this again. You break it down here. You duplicate it again. You break it down here. So the next thing to do now is to align them together. So you click on your grid, then you actually align them together. So let's go. Let's align together. Alignment is one of the work, one of the role of graphic design. So let's go. So I guess it is aligned together right now. So let me check again. Okay, this one still need a little bit push. So let's check it now. So I think they are aligned together, and the spacing is not well okay. The balance is not well okay. So I'm going to move this one up a little bit. Good. So I think the spacing is balanced right now. Then you move this flow here. You move it here now. Good. Because you got to balance it, you got to balance your work. So food available. So after that, so the next thing I'm going to right now is to just click on this. So let's go. I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using another font. So that should be 3 fonts we are using. So you click your text, then you write Amola and Ewedu. Amola and Ewedu. Good. So after that, you go to your font, and then you change it to something. What did I use the font? Change it to something popping us Montessera. So let's choose popping. I think popping is okay for this. So just choose popping medium. So after you choose popping medium, then you change this color to black color. Change the black color. As I told you before, this is going to be a long video. So you change it to black color. So let's go to the color. Then you change it to black color. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to place it here. So let me reduce the size a little bit. Let me give you something 15 or 16. It's good. So 16 is okay for it. So let's go. So you have to be careful with your work when you're doing your work. So after that, you copy this amala na ewedu. So you copy it, then you write eba, eba, and egusi. Good. So you come down here, then you place it here. You make sure it is aligned with the left alignment. So let's check if you are doing very well. So good. So good. So you actually use operation key to bring it down here. Good. So after that, you go to your your spacing, then you give it spacing. Good. So can you see we are moving forward? So after that, you copy this abula and ewedu that have no spacing. So then you write abula, 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 and amala. Just give it any name, anyone at all, anyone you like to give it. So just give any free, you like to give it your own. Good. So this one is okay. There's no need for spacing for this one. Just have to move it to the middle of the stuff. So that means we are moving forward. So after that, the next thing I'm going to write now is to click on your this umbrella and this thing. Then you write inyo and a for euro. Inyo and a for euro. A for euro. A for euro. So you just place it, move it, and you place it here. So use your operation key to do this. Then actually use your operation key, sorry, your spacing key to do a little work here. Good. So let's check it. Good. So this amala, just use just space it a little bit, just use spacing, just maybe like one spacing or two spacing. So let's go to it. So we are good to go. So after that, just remove this one. So after that, the next thing I'm going to write now is just write etc. Just copy this amala and ewedu. Just copy, then you write and etc. Good. Then you change the color to black color. Sorry, to white color. Good. Then you move it down here. Sorry. So let me use my position key to do this one. Good. So the next thing I'm going to write now is just copy this food available, copy it, then you write open from Good. Open from. Good. Then you come here. You come here. Then you place it here. Place it here. Good. So after you place it there, the next thing I'm going to do right now is just to click on this, any of this, maybe it and etc. You you copy it, then you write Monday, Monday to Saturday. You bring it down here. Actually increase a little bit. Good. So you copy it again. Then you write 7:30 a.m. or any time you want to give it to it, 7:30 a.m. But I'm giving it at 7:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. Good. So you actually bring it down here and you place it under this wall. So make sure it is well balanced. Good. So after that, next thing I'm going to do right now is you just click on your plus button. On your plus button, you click on shape this actually. Then you bring it down here. Wow. Good. So after that, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is just to write the name of this place. Just click on anyone here, click on anyone here, duplicate it, then you write maybe any address you want to give it to it. So any address you want to give it to you. Good. So you just bring it down, then you place it down here, then you give it color black. Good. So just go to your relative size, sorry, relative position, then you place it at the middle. So you click on this one, this one, to make sure it's at the middle. Good. So it's at the middle. So now we are done with this. So there's something I do at the up side. So the next thing now is to just everything, lock everything, lock everything, lock everything. Good. So after you lock everything finish, there's nothing that will press again. So just click on this place, then click where they write draw. Now, reduce the draw size maybe to 4, then give it white color. Good. Then just draw something here. Just draw something here. Just draw something here. Just draw something here. Just draw. Then you give it okay like this. So can you see right now? So the next thing I'm going to do right now, go to your opacity, then you reduce it. Good. So can you see right now? So after that, you can actually lock this one. Lock it. So the next thing now, this thing that we group together, they actually one. So you go to your stroke, then you give it white stroke. So you're going to reduce this stroke to 1. It's good. So can you see that has makes sense right now? So we are done with that. So we are done. So there's not much more to do again. So the next thing you got to do is to save it as a project and save it as an image. So save it as PNG, then save it as very high or ultra. So I choose very high because it brings out a high resolution image to it. So we are done with that. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the channel and don't forget to share this video if you find it useful. Thank you for watching up to now, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified wherever I upload a new video. Thank you very much.